Hello everyone, this is True E-Marketing. Today, we will be talking about advertisements and what exactly PPC is. PPC stands for pay-per-click, a model of internet marketing in which advertisers pay a small fee every time one of their ads is clicked. Essentially, PPC is a way of buying website traffic rather than attempting to earn these traffic organically. Search engine advertising is one of the most popular forms of PPC. PPC allows advertisers to bid for ad placement in a search engine sponsored link when someone searches on a keyword that is related to their business offering. Since most people will click on the top ranked sites, if you are not one of the top organic links in the results, the quickest way is to use advertisements to bring your website and link to the top of the page. Every time an ad is clicked, it sends a visitor to your website, but you must pay the search engine you are putting advertisements on a small fee, hence the name pay-per-click. So, what are the different types of Google ads? First, we have Google search ads. Since users only search for products that they are interested in, the advertisements are highly accurate. Second, Google display ads. Google will display your company's advertisements on its partner sites. Your company only needs to pay for the number of clicks or the number of times that the ad is displayed. Third, Google Discovery ads. Google Discovery puts visual ads covering popular mobile apps such as Gmail, YouTube, and Google, and try to make the audience engage with the ads, which will spark interest into your product or service. Fourth, Google Video ads. These ads will be put on YouTube and partnering sites, and the ads will be shown on the YouTube video homepage based on themes, keywords, or demographics. Fifth, Google Shopping ads. You typically want to include rich product information such as high-resolution product pictures, prices, and business names in these ads. The ads are displayed on Google search results. Sixth, Google Smart Ads. It can combine your advertising content according to the preferences of target users and automatically promote customized advertisements to the most suitable users. So what is the difference between Google advertising and Google search engine optimization? Google advertising, also known as SEM, is that it can be promoted on search engines so the ranking of the website can be improved in a short period and therefore bring in traffic. SEM is a tool to bring in instant traffic at a lower cost, while search engine optimization, also known as SEO, generally takes 2 to 6 months to be effective. So, how do we save money on PPC? Well, the short answer is that you should get a professional company like TrueE to do it for you. The long answer is you either get a professional company to do it for you, or you spend a lot of time and trial and errors to finally reach the same goal, but at a much more expensive cost. Here we have a real case. We have a customer who did PPC by himself with a price of $10.31 per click. After letting TrueE's team to optimize the advertisement, the pay-per-click price has dropped to $2.82. If he wants to get 1,000 clicks, he would spend $10,000 before the optimization. But after our optimization, he can get 1,000 clicks for only $2,800. From $10,000 to $2,800, that's a huge difference. Moreover, SEM has the advantages of a higher exposure rate and lower cost compared to with traditional advertising forms, which is in line with the consumption habits of the younger generation. Many old-fashioned businesses use newspapers, street sign advertisements, or handing out flyers as their advertising strategies. They know that the conversion rate is low, but they think that this method can give some exposure and some popularity. But it is a waste of money. So what are the differences between Google Ads and Facebook Ads? First, Google Ads specialize on user search keywords as they have a more advanced algorithm. Facebook Ads specializes in targeting users of certain demographic data, interest data, and behavior data. Facebook has access to a lot more personal data, so they can therefore target audiences based on age, gender, region, language, and the user's hobbies and experiences. Second, different marketing purposes use Google Ads tend to choose keywords with high purchase intentions to convert as a goal. They prefer to promote in the conversion stage. Facebook ads are more suitable for improving brand and product awareness. Google ads are mainly text, and Facebook ads are mainly videos and pictures. The video itself is easier to attract the customer's attention than text, giving people an intuitive feeling, forming a viral spread, and interacting with consumers. Third, target audience type. Facebook ads are more suitable for e-commerce business to consumer, or B2C, and Google ads are suitable for both business to business, also known as B2B, and B2C. I would like to thank everyone for listening. I would like to remind everyone that we have more free classes and free resources on our website. If you want to talk about your business, we are giving free 20-minute consultations. Make sure to sign up with your email on our website and receive all the new classes, news, and updates.